Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm back with some of the fill in the blanks of degree of adjective. In the previous video I have discussed about the degree of adjective, but in this video we'll fill up some of the fill in the blanks. And we'll use the correct degree of adjective in the different fill in the blanks, okay? So here we go. In number 1 you may see, my luggage is dash than yours. You may see a word in the bracket that is heavy, and we have to change that one into comparative or superlative or any type of degree of adjectives. Okay, so we'll use this word, my luggage is heavier than yours. Okay, in number 2, she has many dash friends. We'll use she has many sincere friends. Number 3, the dog was as dash as his master. The dog was as smart as his master. Number 4, this is the dash lane in the town. We will use this is the narrowest lane in the town. In number 5, his writing is much dash than his sister's. We will use the word, his writing is much better than his sister's. That means in this fill in the blanks, we are not using single type of degree of adjective.